Hi, it is Mark and Grace Sias again. I'm the author of A Golden Pen.
I'm the author of A Digital Pen.
Wait a minute. I'm the author of A Digital Pen.
No, I'm the author of that one, A Golden Pen.
Well, I guess both our names are on it.
Both our names are on it. We're both authors.
All right. Anyway, so there's that. So let's talk today about how you can add fingerprinting to your notary business to make some extra fast, easy cash.
You may think that cards are outdated, these FBI cards are outdated. They are not. We get several calls a week, people just wanting to pop over. Now, these are simple, very easy, and in our course, we instruct you how to use these. However, if somebody comes to you, to your home, you can charge $50 for one of these. If you're traveling, based on your travel time and distance, you can charge up to $100. That's simple.
Not only is it simple, it takes a couple of minutes to do. Now, there is some technique involved with this, but really the process of filling them out is pretty simple, and the technique is actually relatively easy to become proficient at it. And so there's that. Now, let me tell you, those services, if you were just listing those with your existing services, you can expect to make 100 to 500 extra a week. I mean, just like how we did the video on apostilles and how we do a few of those a week and a few of these a week, it doesn't take a whole lot of math. And when you incorporate that with your mobile notary, your online notary, it doesn't take a whole lot of math to go, wait a minute, these people are pulling in some money here with very simple things. And that's what we're talking about now, is you can go get this and offer fingerprinting. Now, like she said, our flagship course teaches this, but we have recently made a mini course that is just fingerprinting alone.
Just a baby course.
And but a baby course that it may be, number one, it's the best priced for fingerprinting that is on the market. You will not find a better price for fingerprinting. We are teaching you everything that you need to know to be up and running with fingerprinting. We are covering both those ink cards as well as live scan should you decide to go into that. We're going to show you where to get the supplies, the best suppliers, the best prices. We've already kind of figured all that stuff out. All of the know-how that you would want to know, the abbreviations, the ORI codes, things that might seem confusing, but they're actually really simple. Much like apostilles, this is the case with fingerprinting, is that it may seem more complicated than it really is. It's actually, it's a pretty easy side hustle to add to your business. So we will drop links for our fingerprinting for notaries course. Again, I promise you, you are not, it's $27. You're not going to find a cheaper fingerprinting course. And it's not cheap. There is information in there. There's 2 hours worth of video. There's detailed instructions. There's downloadable files. It's all in there. Do you need it? No, you could probably figure this out as you go. You could wing it. But this will definitely give you a jump start on it. It will give you, more importantly, I think, the confidence.
Yeah.
Because we didn't have confidence when we first started. Man, we were winging it, man.
Jumped right in.
We jumped right in. But then we went ahead after we jumped right in and said, hey, let's learn. And so we paid a lot to learn how to do fingerprinting.
$1,000 is what we paid to
we
learn
did,
how to do this.
But we've made that money back time over and time over
have.
again. And we have condensed that information so that you can study this on a go. The course that we have is you can download the Kajabi app and you can literally study this stuff right on your phone. All of our courses are lifetime membership, lifetime access, so you never have to worry about studying the information, getting logged out. You have it forever.
And as always, as what we do is we over deliver. So you're getting this fantastic, I call it a baby course, but it's just everything you need to know like everything that we do, learning from our experiences and taking it and just handing it to you. We're just over delivering for you guys because we want you it to be as simple for you as possible. Whereas with us, we didn't have the confidence to begin with, and we spent way too much money to begin this portion of our business. So we want to just hand it to you guys and pass on the blessing.
Exactly. And the other thing that we do that probably not a lot of other people do is that we offer the ability to affiliate all of our courses. What does that mean? That means that if you like it, you can go tell someone else about it and you can get paid. I'll share our work, our intellectual property, I'll share the profits with you if you go tell somebody else and you go share the message. So I think that's it for today. Fingerprinting is a great side hustle to add to your business. This course at $27 is going to give you everything you'd ever need to know about fingerprinting to be up and running.
For sure. Yes.
And I think that is it.
That's it.
All right. We'll see you next time.